Hello, we're coming to you live right here on the Dan Flanagan Farm Inventory Reduction Auction in conjunction with the Flanagan Estate and Ponzer Estate Auction that's being online only. Bidding ends on Tuesday, December the 13th at approximately 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this is lot number 1, which is a Ford L8000 grain truck. It has a 16-foot all-steel dump bed with roll tarp canopy on top, and it does have a 2-cylinder hoist on it, or 2-cylinder hydraulic lift on it. And we have had several people call wanting to know about the lift. So right now we're going to start it up and give you a little bit show you a little bit about the truck for those of you that might not be able to make it to the open house. Has a roll-it-on Midwest coverall with easy access to roll on and roll off for the grain cover. Has an all-steel bed, which you can plainly see. We'll get him to hoist it up here. Everything appears to be working great. It's got the 2 hydraulic pistons there for the dump bed, and let you get a little closer look on that. Folks, this is a great opportunity to buy a nice grain truck. It's a Ford L8000 with a 16-foot all-steel dump bed, roll top cover. It was used this crop season. So get ready to bid and buy. Go to goldenruleauction.com and click on the bidding link. If you have any questions, you can reach us at 270-384-1111. But goldenruleauction.com, the auction takes place online only. So get ready to bid and bid often. Thanks for watching.